The most common use for these is every day around the kitchen island, below the sink, stove, fridge, and garbage areas where crumbs, water spots, and bits of food have fallen, says Angela Brown, founder and CEO of Savvy Cleaner. The vacuuming allows you to pick up crumbs, bits of food, or small debris, and the mopping function allows you to mop up dribbles, water spots, or muddy prints tracked in from outdoors. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 vacuum and mop combos on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Shark Cordless Hard Floor Vacuum Mop. Many of the best vacuum and mop combos cost hundreds of dollars, which is a significant investment, especially if you've never used one before. If you're looking for an affordable way to try a vacuum mop, the Shark VM252 Vac Mop may be a great option for you. The battery-operated stick vacuum utilizes a spray and disposable pads. The pads have a no-touch disposal, which means you can keep your hands clean. However, the pads will be an extra cost, since you need to replace them every time you vacuum. While the Shark VM252 is incredibly lightweight at just 3.34 pounds, you need to continuously hold down the button while vacuuming, which can quickly become difficult and uncomfortable. Despite some flaws, the vacuum performed well in our tests, and we think it's a great value. Weight, 3.34 pounds, power source, battery, filter, no filter, dust bin capacity, 0.1 quarts, features, disposable pads, LED headlights, no touch disposal. Number 2. Tinco Floor 1S5 Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. If you have primarily hard floors and are looking to splurge, we love this luxury pick from Tinco. After we used the vacuum and mop combo to clean our grouted tile and hardwood floors, it looked as if they had been wiped by hand with a wet rag. Tinco claims its brush roller is designed to clean close to baseboards, but we had a hard time cleaning around furniture edges. We also noted that you had to hold the device directly over a specific spot to clean, making it difficult to reach smaller nooks and crannies. In addition to its cleaning performance, the Tinco Floor 1S5 offers a handful of user-friendly smart features, like a compatible app with cleaning reports and reminders, voice guidance, and a self-cleaning mode. It also offers a smart sensor mode that automatically detects what you're trying to clean and adjusts the vacuum settings to best suit the mess. Number 3. Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. If you prefer hands-free cleaning, the best robot vacuum and mop combo we tested is this model from Shark. After downloading the Shark app and setting up the vacuum, which includes home mapping and scheduling, the robot vacuum and mop combo essentially cleans without any effort from you. The operation is quiet, so you'll be able to watch TV or hold a conversation while it's running. Plus, hair didn't get tangled in its brush roller and it didn't run into any obstacles throughout our testing process. In addition to regularly scheduled cleanings, there's also a spot cleaning mode that will deep clean a 3-foot by 3-foot area. When we tested the spot cleaning mode near the back door, an area typically covered in mud dragged in from the outside by our dogs, the robot vacuum cleaned the floor just as well as a steam mop. Weight, 23.6 pounds, power source, battery. Number 4. Dreamitech H11 Vacuum Cleaner. If you're looking for an appliance with all the bells and whistles, this model from Dreamitech may be the best vacuum and mop combo for you. It's a quiet, cordless device that balances techie features with effective cleaning. The vacuum automatically detects what needs to be cleaned and displays the level of mess on the screen. Then, the suction power is adjusted accordingly to best clean. Plus, it offers voice assistance that says when the dirty water tank needs to be emptied. At first, we struggled with taking the water tank on and off the machine. But once we did, emptying the collection container was simple. While the device is effective on hard floors, it's not compatible with carpets. But if your home has primarily hard floors and you're looking for a vacuum mop with a sleek design and smart features, it's a great option. Number 5. Bissell Crosswave Hydro Steam Vacuum. Overall, the best vacuum and mop combo we tested was the Bissell Crosswave Hydro Steam plus Multi-Surface Wet Dry Vac. We were impressed with its ability to quickly and efficiently clean wet and dry messes on both hard floors and carpets. The device cleaned a grouted tile floor that was covered in soggy cereal and raw eggs in just under 40 seconds, the fastest of any vacuum and mop combo we tested. But this vacuum truly shined when it came to cleaning carpets. Its area rug mode worked quickly and left our carpet clean and dry in just 20 seconds. Additionally, The vacuum has LED headlights to reveal crumbs and hair in hidden areas. However, this is a corded model, so it'll need to be plugged into an outlet during operation. But, at 25 feet long, the cord is long enough to reach across many rooms without constantly needing to move to a new outlet. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. I hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. Check out the description box if you want to know the product price. Thanks for watching.